साइड में लेना. We've got two scores. One pre-water nose and taste. One post-water taste. And then you are going to rank. Okay. One of these whiskeys is typically going to come out a winner. Okay. I will tell all of you what these are once they decide what is the best. So we will rank the best whiskey here. All I want to tell you is that these are great big international brands. Okay? There is nothing wrong, there's nothing right. Okay? Some of us do these smoky whiskies. How many of you do smoky whiskies? Raise your hands. I can see some hands. I like smoky whiskies. Do you do smoky whiskies? Yeah. The ones that taste typically like putting water in last night's party ashtray and drinking it up. Yeah, I know what you mean. Exactly. But there is a bit of smoke, there's a bit of fruit, there's a bit of flowers. So let's begin without much ado. We've got these marks on these whiskies. As you see, we've got these marks on these whiskies. So we'll begin with this. That's the mark with the gold. And then we'll go on to the one with the red. And then we'll finish it with the one with the green. Okay? So there you go. That's the one with gold for you. And that's the one with gold for you. You have to? You can't name the whiskey. Yeah. But I will try and tell you what closest it comes to. Okay? So we've got these funny looking glasses here. You must be wondering why we're doing this. I did this in Punjab with glasses like this. And my friends there said, Kamal, I was keeping up on the rocks glass with me. These are called nosing glasses. So you put your nose inside. So what you do, put your nose inside and you get, close your eyes, you get a little romance. Hold it on the stem. I'll teach you to style. Okay? We're a stylish brand. Okay? On the stem. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ ऑडियो मालिक अपने यहाँ पे ऑडियो रखें तो वो माइक में जाएगा ना पता नहीं मैं उसके लिए क्या नहीं हाँ वो फिर माइक चेक करना पड़ेगा फिर भी एम्बियंस चले
but then you're nosing, remember, you're nosing, you're not drinking. This is the way to get through it. So put one nose, put the other nostril inside. You get a nose. You're getting close to a score. Okay? You're thinking this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 or 10. Somewhere there. Okay? So then we swirl it around a little bit and then put it on the tip of our tongue and kind of bite into it. Kind of bite into it, make that little sound, and then breathe out. Try it. So nose typically does, like I said, about 3,000, 3,500 odd notes. The mouth, the taste can only do 5 tastes. Sweet, sour, bitter, yeah? Sweet, sour, bitter, more. Salty, excellent. And we do 5th flavor, the flavor that you get out of mushrooms and tomato sauce is called umami. Yeah, you get them in Ajinomoto, you get it in cheese. We only do 5. So on your palate, you'll only feel like 5 things. This one, for example, was sharp. It was sharp, but it's a bit of sour. Yeah, it finishes a little sour. It finishes a little short. Okay? Then we'll go to the next one and we'll see the next one and stuff like that. So why don't you put your score? There are pens here. On whiskey
system
between typically 1 and 10. These are big international brands. I think they've all done the passing mark. So we should be generous to at least to me. There you go. That's yours. Now, back on the nose. I will get you in a bit. Back on the nose. Put this on the nose and tell me what you think. You get some aroma. You get aroma now. Yeah. You get wood. Yeah. You get wood. You get a hint of fruits. Yeah, a little fruity hint. If you close your eyes and listen to it, you'll feel waves of the sea. Yeah? Yeah? Did we ever think that whiskey had so many things? No, we just put it in our eyes, put it in so many. Yeah? Why don't we put it up to our palate? Move it around, and you'll feel the same nose come to you, the wood come to you.
Style. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy the evening in style.
photographers. How are you? Hi. Good evening. Good evening. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you. Thank you. All the daddies are over there. As long as the mummies are sitting over here, it's fine with me. Hi, everyone. Hello. Hello. Thank you very much, photographers. I want to know how many people are in the room. So if you'll just clap a little, I'll know exactly. Head count to mil jayega. Yeah. Thank you so much. Taste life with style is what they have to say, and we're going to talk about it a little bit. But apart from that, I got to tell you a few things. I'm going to take not more than 10 minutes of your time. Are you with me? Thank you very much. Okay, for all those who don't know, my name is Boman Irani, and I'm an actor, just in case. Who knows? Sorry? There's too much talking behind. Can we get the bar a little quiet? Just a little bit. 10 minutes is not much to ask for. Thank you, Mr. Barman from Bowman. Okay? Thank you so much. Yes, you were saying, some lady said something. You enjoyed Houseful 3? Yeah? Batuk Patel? That's not me, okay? That's my younger brother. All right. Just to let you know, for those who don't, I was joking earlier. Most of you must be knowing what I do for a living. I'm also married for 31 years, so we'll talk about that later on. But as my school friends are very jealous of me. I mean, I'm saying it nicely. They're jealous of me simply because, you know why? Why do you think they're jealous of me? No, I enjoy life. No, even they enjoy more than me, but they're slightly jealous of me. Can you give me an answer why? Because I live in Mumbai. Of course. But all my friends also live in Mumbai only. Why else do you think they're jealous of me? They're very happy for me, just by the way. Sorry? They are not Indians. Idiots. No. I'll tell you why. It's a very simple answer. All these gentlemen in the first row and all those gentlemen having drinks in their hand, they don't. No, Baba. They are jealous of me because I get to act with the most beautiful women in the country. It's a straight off thing, Baba. And you know, whenever all these corporate people, they come to me for some brief, ke yaar, stage pe jaake ye bolna hai, they give me such a long brief. At the end of the brief, they have only one thing to say. What is Priyanka Chopra like? Basically, it boils down to that. What is Deepika Padukone like? What is Kriti Sanon like? Now that's the new name they keep on. Achhi, lambi hai, bahut tall hai, acha. They want to know, they get jealous about that. They say, don't get jealous, Baba. Even you're a little jealous, I think. Are you jealous or not? No, tell me the truth. Are you jealous or not? Little bit. Tell everybody that you're jealous of me.
Yeah, I am jealous of you, sir.
For one thing, you look more like Dr. Asthana than I do right now. Okay. The reason why they're jealous of me is this. But don't get jealous of me, sir. Don't. Because I only play their father. सिर्फ बाप का रोल करता हूं मैं. ये problem hai. This is the thing which people don't understand. Daddy gets the tightest hug. Heroes करते क्या है फिर भी? कुछ नहीं करते. आजकल के heroes, they don't romance their heroines at all. Shahrukh Khan करता क्या है इसे? What's the point? There's no point to it. So they break the heroine's heart and they come running to Daddy. Yeah, okay, so there we go. So ladies and gentlemen, that's my life. Yes, but once I did get to play the hero also in a film. Mera bhi naseeb dekho yaar. They gave me Farah Khan yaar. See now, what do I have to say? You know, but anyway, she was a great sporting lady. I had a wonderful time. So that's a little about me. What I'm here to talk to you about is style. Everybody has a definition of style. Anybody can tell me what is their definition of style? Somebody put your hand up. Is there a mic roaming around over here? Mic Launa Baba. Somebody put your hand up. This guy is going to talk through the evening here.
No, sir, be yourself, comfortable.
Okay.
That style for me.
Give somebody else the mic. What did you say, sir? So what's your name? Hemant Saab. Hemant Saab is saying, be yourself, be comfortable. Thank you very much. I thought you were telling me be comfortable. I'm very comfortable.
Yeah.
Haji. Yes, sir.
Attitude.
Attitude is style. But what if your attitude is not a good attitude?
You We can always change it.
It has to be a good attitude. I tell you, you could be the most handsome looking man, you could be the most beautiful looking girl, but if you throw me a sick attitude, I do not see beauty. That beauty goes away. Humility has got a lot to do with style. I'd like to say that. Would you agree with me, ladies and gentlemen? Let's hear it for all the humble people, some great humble people. Yes, that young lady once. That young lady over there who said, we liked you as Batuk Patel. Tell me your name first.
I'm Anushka Lal. I'm a fashion designer myself.
Hi, Anushka. Oh, so you're very, very ready to give me the
Of course.
take on it.
It's your inner projection of your own fashion. It's
Sorry,
a
say that again.
It's your inner projection which you display through fashion.
All right. I think that makes a lot of sense. Okay. I'll tell you what. You won't believe this, but the best advice I've ever got about style is from a person you would never really associate style as we know it with. And it was from a gentleman called Mr. Narayan Murthy. Everybody here knows Mr. Narayan Murthy? You know what? I did an interview of Mr. Narayan Murthy on television. I took up the job simply so that I could meet Narayan Murthy. And I asked him, sir, how do you project yourself? And he said, never. This is the best advice I've heard. Never, never do anything for effect. And I'll tell you, it is the best piece of advice I've ever been given on style. All right? I'll tell you one thing. When I used to be a shopkeeper, मैं दुकानदार था. I'm very proudly saying मैं दुकानदार था. उसके बाद, yeah, you're laughing. No, I was selling chivda, farsan, papdi, gatia, but I take great pride in it. Did you all know this, that I used to be a dukandar? Okay, before being a shopkeeper, I was a waiter at the Taj Mahal for 2 years. Yeah, for 2 years. And I tell you something, I used to get a great pride in my work. If I had to wear a bow tie as a waiter, I would make sure that the bow tie is correct, not ada, not teda. My shirt would be nice, it would be clean, the way I walked, the way I spoke. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter with the quality of your job, but always do it with a certain panache. What I learned later when I was at the shop was this. I used to study acting and understand acting by looking at the faces of my customers. And most importantly, I used to understand acting and character from the way they used to pay money. You believe it or not, but let me show you something. When people used to take out their wallet to pay money, you can judge a man, whether he's a humble man, whether he's a show-off, whether he's an organized person, whether he's a disorganized person. So somebody shows you their wallet like this. He's trying to show you his wallet, that he's got a lot of money inside. Somebody who takes out his money like this and keeps doing like that, making sure that ek hi note hai, that guy is very suspicious as a person. A person whose notes are put in properly, you know he's an organized person. A person whose wallet is fat like a big ball and he shoves it in his backside, comes out like that, you know he's a disorganized person. So, am I right? Have you seen people with that kind of thing? And they walk also like that only, My point I'm making is that a human being, you can judge a human being by his face, and his face is exactly how he thinks. You see a happy person, you see a happy face. You see a frowny face, you see a person who sees life in a very negative way. And that is the basis of acting, understanding the other guy, understanding characters. And to me, acting is about lying. Acting is the most noble form of lying. हर रोज मैं सेट पे जाता हूँ, मैं दूसरे के कपड़े पहनता हूँ, दूसरे का चेहरा मुंह पे लगाता हूँ, बाल अलग तरीके से बनाता हूँ, और मैं जाके मैं दूसरा कोई नाम लेके मैं किसी को आपके सामने पेश करता हूँ. What is that if it is not lying? It is lies. But when you lie with a certain amount of honesty, I know it is a contradiction in terms, there is a great amount of satisfaction. You are playing someone who you're not. Similarly in life, if this is your face and it shows what you're thinking, just like people who present their wallet, it shows who they are. Similarly, your style is just an extension of you, who you really are as a person. So you do not make any effort to impress people. There is no way of impressing anybody for the sake of impressing people. That is why when I did my first Hindi film, does anybody know which was my first Hindi film major role? Munna Bhai MBBS. Haan. When I did that, I tried different looks and fancy suits, kya kiya. Finally, I went and just shaved off my head. कुछ नहीं जम रहा था. मैंने जाके I shaved off my head to bring it down to the basics. 3 Idiots के time, when I was doing Virus, they took me for the first scene. जो पहले हम लोग ने शूट किया था, वो भी शिमला में, was a scene मेरी बेटी की शादी हो रही है. तो मुझे fashion, sorry ma'am, I don't mean to say it in a bad way, but the fashion designer came to the office and they opened a cupboard full of sherwanis and what are they called? Pathanis and those beautiful brocade stuff and shawls, and I said, "Ye band karo. This is not the character, this is not the person. You will never make a character wear something. Shadi hai to shadi ke kapde? Nahin. What would Virus wear?" Similarly, in life also, you dress how you are, not how the world expects you to be. Be yourself. So I am sorry to say I didn't mean it in a bad way, but that fashion stylist said, "Thank you very much," and I put that person aside. Inner expression of myself. So what I did was, sure darling, I went to A to Z in Dadar. A to Z और बगल में वहाँ पे बाबू भाई जगजीवन दास है. तो वो खुश हो गए, अरे वाह वाह वाह, आई अंदर. तो बोला सबसे चीप शर्ट के मटेरियल कौन सा काउंटर है? वहाँ पे आप उधर मत जाइए सर, आप वहाँ देखेंगे तो सब मेरा बिजनेस का दिवाला हो जाएगा. सर नहीं, मैं वो खरीदूंगा, फिर आपके लिए महंगे शर्ट्स भी लूंगा. I bought all the cheapest kind of shirts with the most dull, boring prints. Dull, boring prints, because that is who Virus is. I called for a tailor who did not know he was stitching a suit for a film. For me, I told the assistant, go to ये फलाना टेलर, उनको जाके बोलो मुझे पैंट यहाँ से चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं वैसे चल सकता हूँ. वो कपड़े के जो डोरी के जो बटन हाथ है वो लगाइए. And I designed the whole thing and gave it because I wanted Virus to be an authentic person, a real person. You see him, you know him from somewhere or from your college or school. A lot of people have told me that Virus just looks like my principal. How is it possible? But it so happens, right? Similarly in life, I do not ever want to be somebody and dress up like somebody who I'm not. I think that's the biggest lie. I'll tell you, I did another film called Khosla Ka Ghosla. In that I went to Delhi to prepare for the character. तो मैं character prepare कर रहा था. And the fashion person, the costume designer, brought in some very hideous shirts. इतने खराब shirt थे और कुछ इतने बड़े-बड़े jewelry लेके रखे. मैं बोला कौन पहनता है ऐसे कपड़े? So she said, the producer was a lady. She said, "Arey, these are my husband's clothes. What are you talking?" Okay, people do dress up in a particular way because that is that person's personality, his inside. That was for Kishan Khurana. He was a crook. He's a loud person. He's a vulgar person. He's a mean person. He will dress accordingly. Expensive clothes do not mean anything. I'll tell you a little story before I wind up, and then we'll have a Q&A after that. Expensive clothes don't mean anything. Munna Bhai MBBS was my first Hindi release. The film released in December, 23rd December. First 3 days, the film flopped. Nobody went to see the film. Nobody. पता भी नहीं था कि यार ये पिक्चर का नाम क्या है. संजय दत्त 8 साल से संजय दत्त ने हिट फिल्म नहीं दी थी. अरशद वारसी ने 7 साल से कोई हिट फिल्म में काम नहीं किया था. मैं था उस पिक्चर में. सबसे बड़ी स्टार वो पिक्चर में थी, वो ग्रेसी सिंह. हाँ, she was the biggest name in the movie. Believe it or not. और हम लोग ये पिक्चर, राजू हिरानी कौन है किसी को मालूम नहीं. सिंपल मैन, आज भी वो ढीले शर्ट पहनता है, ऐसे ऐसे खींचते रहता है शर्ट पे. सिंपल, he is not changed. आज तक राजू हिरानी has not changed. Humble as ever. तो जब पिक्चर रिलीज हुई ना, तो मैं रोज जाता था, दुकान बंद कर रहा, दुकान का शटर वो कर करके नीचे लाता था, और घर जाते वक्त मैं मराठा मंदिर में जाके बैक रो में जाके मेरे सब सीन्स देखता था. लोग हंसते थे और इतनी खुशी होती थी कि लोग इतना हंसते थे और रोते थे वो पिक्चर देख के। तो मैं राजू को फोन करके बोला, राजू 100 करोड़ 100 करोड़ मत गिनो। ही यूज्ड टू से हाँ 100 करोड़ नहीं गिनने का, लोग पिक्चर को पसंद कर रहे हैं कि नहीं। एंड आई सेड हाँ बहुत रो रहे, बहुत हंस रहे, इतना एंजॉय कर रहे। मैं बाहर आया एक दिन तो रोड पे एक औरत बैठी थी और मेरी तरफ ऐसे देखी, ए मामू। So something clicked to me. She recognized the character. I called up Raju and said, Raju, one lady called me Mamu. It's not a very nice thing, but jo bhi hai, lady called me. It means, Raju, that something is happening. Something is clicking inside her head. They are identifying with the character. So she said, Mamu, बेफिक्र रहना, अभी तक पिक्चर चली नहीं, लेकिन हम लोग बहुत पैसा कमाएंगे। तो मैंने कहा हम लोग? हाँ, मैं ब्लैक करती हूँ। मतलब वो ट्रेड एनालिस्ट कुछ भी बोले, इसने बोल दिया हिट होगा तो हिट हुआ ही हिट। That's the truth. And she spoke from the heart. पहले तो उन्हें आपका नाम क्या, वो सब नहीं, मामू जो जान, be simple, be humble. She was being humble. बोला हाँ। The picture actually took off and became a cult classic, and it did great business. 5 days later, because it is in December, the awards were announced, the nominations. Before I knew it, मैं एक दुकानदार था, मैं यहाँ एक पिक्चर किया और awards got announced, nominated. So I'm nominated. First week of January are the awards. My life changed in a matter of 10 to 11 days. And I got nominated. I'm standing on the stage like this, rehearsing. कल शाम को awards है और मैं कुछ presentation के लिए rehearsal के लिए गया रात को 11:30-12 बजे। मेरे साथ था अर्शद वारसी। अर्शद पूछ रहा है, so Baman, what are you wearing tomorrow? बोला मतलब नहीं, what suit are you wearing? बोला suit? I don't have a suit. You see, you don't have a suit? I said no. I said you have to get a suit. I said नहीं यार मैं ऐसे आऊँगा शर्ट पहने। पागल हो गया? ठीक है। I said okay. How do we get a suit? So he calls up Naresh Bhai, who stitched this suit today. After 12 years, I still go to Naresh Bhai only, nowhere else. And I calls up Naresh Bhai of Masculine. And he says, Naresh Bhai, एक सूट बनानी है 24 घंटे में। तो he said, नहीं बन सकती है। किसके लिए? एक एक्टर है, नाम क्या? बमन ईरानी। तो मैं पहचानता नहीं। Fair enough यार, it's big guy, no problem. That's why I always say my name is Baman Irani in case you don't know. You know, who knows यार? Anyway, तो saying, please बनाइए। तो he said, नहीं, कौन से पिक्चर में काम किया? तो मैं नोएबा MBBS। क्या किया उसमें? अरे यार वो प्रोफेसर, अरे वो टकला मामू, मैं उसका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूं, मैं उसके लिए सूट बनाऊंगा, एक दिन में बनाऊंगा। ठीक है, मेजरमेंट्स के लिए क्या करेंगे? इसे मेजरमेंट्स के लिए टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास। तो मास्टर जी को भेजो तो टाइम नहीं है, तो फिर कैसे क्या नाप लोगे, क्या सूट बनाओगे? सो ही सेड कोई फिक्र मत करो, मेरे पास मुन्नाभाई MBBS का एक पायरेटेड कॉपी है। मुन्नाभाई MBBS का एक पायरेटेड कॉपी है, मैं अपने टीवी पे चलाऊंगा, उसको फ्रीज फ्रेम करूंगा। बमन ईरानी का हाइट क्या है? 6 फुट 2 इंच। तो मैं ऐसे 6 फुट 2 इंच का ऐसा प्रपोर्शन लूंगा, फिर चेस्ट का लूंगा, पेट का लूंगा और टांग का लूंगा और मैं सूट बना के कल भेज दूंगा। ऐसे करके नेक्स्ट डे शो शुरू हुआ है। मैं बैक स्टेज खड़ा हूं, जैसे यहाँ पे नीचे अंधेरे में, और शो इज गोइंग ऑन और मेरा सूट आया। मैं उधर ही बैक स्टेज, आई चेंज फ्रॉम माई जीन्स एंड आई वॉर माई पैंट, आई वॉर अ वाइट शर्ट। इतना गंदा कलर का कोई टाई था, मैंने वो पहन लिया जो घर से आया था। लूज बनाया उसने सूट, जानबूझ के लूज बनाया। टाइट बनाएगा तो प्रॉब्लम, फिट ही नहीं होगा, लेकिन लूज बनाया सेफली। और जैसे मैं कपड़े और शर्ट और टाई फिक्स कर रहा था, प्रेम चोपड़ा साहब स्टेज पे थे और उन्होंने अनाउंस किया, एंड फॉर मुन्नाभाई MBBS द बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर गोज टू बमन ईरानी। और मैं स्टेज के पीछे से भाग के ऐसे आया, आप देखेंगे तो मैं भाग के आया, स्टम्बल, गिर गया सीढ़ी पे, एंड आई केम एंड कलेक्टेड माय फर्स्ट अवार्ड। बोलने का मतलब so nice of you. बोलने का मतलब ये है, I would like to believe, and I would really, really strongly like to believe that that day I didn't have one suit. Today I might have a cupboard full of suits. But I just hope, and I pray to God, that for you who show me so much love, the man inside the suit will remain the same. I just. Interviews have been going on about being a father and whatnot. What would you advise your son, this and that? I said, I don't need to advise them anything. Be humble, be yourselves, honor your family, honor your work. Then whether you're a millionaire, a trillionaire, or just an average earner, it does not matter. You'll be the richest man in the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say something. Thank you so much, Blender's Pride Reserve Collection. Please, you have to give them a band. Ye kya hai? Pee rahe, glass was like. Taste life in style is what they say, and I genuinely believe in it. Enjoy life, be stylish, be humble, be whatever you want, but do not change as a human being unless it is for the better. Thank you very much for having me very much.
Mansi, I've been backstage and getting inspired like all these people here. Can we have a louder round of applause for Vaman Irani, please? Thank you so much for joining us here this evening. Definitely needed inspiration. Thank you for sharing your style quotient. And I think all of us here have been inspired to find their own style quotient. Q&A. So is it okay if the lady starts with the first question? Audience?
The lady?
Can I ask the first question? Okay, so my question to you is, what is that journey that you would like to relive again?
A journey that I'd like to relive again? I think the only thing from my past which I'd like to take is that I am the luckiest person in the world, and I consider myself really, really lucky because of this, is that my journey has only been about failure. And every step of the way, I tried something, I failed, I fell down, I dusted my clothes, and I ran again. If my journey, if I say that, I wish I had not gone through that struggle, I think that would be the worst thing to say. I'm grateful to God for allowing me to struggle in life, because today I still believe. You may think I'm saying words, bolna acha lagta hai public ke samne. It looks nice. I am even struggling today. I'm struggling to do something that should be really, really fantastic. And I fail at times. And I think that's good. And for me, I believe till today, I still have not played out all my cards, played out what I have to offer to the world and to myself as an artist. I still have lots to go. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we like to...
Open to the audience, so thoda acha lagega. Thoda interaction acha I really like, when we, sir, I'm sorry to keep you waiting, but kya hota na, ye fashion ke shows mein ek alag type ki audience aati hai. They're all there to impress others. There are such, I get inspired from people who stick to themselves and have family values, and to see some wonderful families together, it feels very nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Sir.
For giving me this opportunity to
Sir.
talk to you.
Sir.
I loved since you did Munna Bhai MBBS. And still, I love you the same. I am lucky to have you in my presence. And I am really grateful to the God. My last wish has been fulfilled. But I may say one thing.
See, please, sir.
Please do picture like Munna Bhai MBBS and avoid this Houseful 3.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very nicely put. Thank you, very nicely put. I will answer. Thank you, sir. Sir, very good, thank you. There are lots of people who do not see life that way. They could be from humbler beginnings, they could be pulling rickshaws, they could be riding taxis, they could be conductors, they could be simple clerks. That kind of family have no other outlet for entertainment. And sometimes it is important to give them a smile at whatever cost. There is no harm in that. There is no harm in that. Because sometimes there are a lot of people make this kind of meaningful cinema. हाँ वो भी करते हम, बहुत मेहनत करते. But also a certain audience which does not have the facility to go to a club, to travel abroad, to go for skiing trips, to go to Disneyland. India has no such thing. All they have is cricket and movies. Sometimes you got to give them this also. But I see your point, sir. I see your point. I'll tell you one more thing on a selfish note. If we do a Munna Bhai or a Three Idiots or a Khosla Ghosla, in 12 years there are 4 or 5 movies of this quality that come out. For the rest of the year, I have to feed my family also, sir. I do apologize if it's offended you, but I have a duty to my family. And if I'm making someone smile, I don't see any harm in it.
You know, like he said that we have cricket and Bollywood. Bollywood has a lot of music. So which is that one tune that you always hum? Is there a tune?
I hum it to my wife, darling. I can't hum it to you. Next, sir, there's a gentleman over there and there's a lady over there. Please pass on the mic. जी, या स्टेज के ऊपर लाइट नहीं आ रहा है. बहुत ले चुके फोटोग्राफ यार. Q&A में मैं हमेशा ऑडियंस में जाता हूँ. थोड़ा कनेक्शन आ जाता है. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
I'm Mamta Shah.
How are you, ma'am?
Very good. Thank you. Someone so humble and so grounded. How do you manage to do that living in Bollywood where there is so much glamour, there is so much artifice, so much money to corrupt you? How do you manage that? You come across as someone very humble and grounded.
I will not, I don't agree completely about Bollywood being about artifice and about corruption, because the people who are entertaining you also go home at the end of the day. They also eat the same food you are eating, and in the morning they bathe and they freshen up just like you do. But
Okay.
having said that, and I attribute all of this to my wife and family. I'll tell you, it is so important, and these are the choices you make. The choice you make to find and make, especially your wife, your parents, you have no choice, especially your spouse. You don't have a choice in parents, but your spouse, the mother or the father of your parents, you have a responsibility to those children, because those genes will go down of yours and of your wife into those children. I think the wisest thing I ever did in my life is to marry a woman with good principles and a woman who will support me for all that is good. I think it is very, very important, I'll tell you that. You may have ups and downs, but at the end of the day, when something goes wrong, the person who is advising you is sometimes more important than you yourself. They'll say, "Arey, don't take this nonsense. Tell them you want to do this. Tell them you want a bigger room. Tell them you want a suite. Tell them you want this." Sorry? So there are people who push you in the wrong way. I have come here to act. I have come here to do a job, just like each and every one of you. Let me tell you, I go to work every day. I do not go to Bollywood every day. I go to an office, which is the studio. I work like every one of you. The difference is, my work makes me a little famous, and other people's work makes them successful. There's a big difference between being successful and famous. If I am successful, very good. But if I'm famous also, no harm. We are all working. And I tell you, to have people around you who advise you the right way, it is the biggest blessing, including your mother. I am lucky to have a great parent. I have never met my father. I've never met my father. My father passed away before I was born. But my mother has been a father and a mother to me. And same principles. Don't talk too big. Don't talk too loud. Do not be bombastic. Do not be bombastic. Be humble and you will be rewarded. That's it. So I'm very grateful to my family.
Thank you.
It's part of my style. I can talk about my family. It's part of my style.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, Harish.
Good evening to you.
Good evening, sir.
On a lighter note,
Yes, sir.
just want to,
Naturally, if you're holding a glass in your hand, it has to be a lighter note.
and not one personally,
No.
I would like to know your hobbies,
Right.
and I know you have a passion for dogs.
Yes.
So just on that, just to divert your mind to something else. Thank you.
Oh, I'm having a very good time. I don't need to divert my mind, actually. Such wonderful people. No, I'll tell you what. I think a presence, you may laugh at me for saying this. And please laugh if you must. But I think a dog in my life has also calmed me down as a human being. It really, really takes away a lot of your stress and it teaches you to love a little differently. We have different kinds of love in the world, but my health has improved, and I would really advocate the use for people to adopt dogs. I'll tell you something, it changes your life, it changes your perspective in life. You realize we have too much hatred in this world at this point of time. A dog teaches you how not to be racist. A dog teaches you how not to have hate in your heart. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Bonni over here, or on your right.
On
Yeah.
my right?
Yes.
On my right, right?
Yes.
मैं right left में थोड़ा problem है. Sir, photographer, मैं जरा उतरता हूँ 2 मिनट के लिए.
जैसे आपने कहा एक्टिंग आपने बचपन में सीखी
जी.
दुकानदारी करके
जी.
वगैरह वगैरह.
जी.
Has ever anybody told you about your voice? It is so impressive. It is nice कि आपके बारे में कुछ वर्कशॉप किया या आपने कैसे तैयार किया अपनी आवाज उसके बारे में कुछ कहिए.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I'll tell you what happened. See, again, a voice, the tone of your voice happens through workshop, through voice training, through whatever else. But the texture of your voice, again, is an extension of your personality. What you're thinking will come out through the tone of your voice. I'm not talking about bass voice hai, baritone voice hai, deep voice hai. वो मैं नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm talking about people who are full of hatred. The tone of their voice will have a tone of hatred in it. People whose voices are humble will have humble human beings behind it. But as far as I'm concerned, on a practical level, I'm not talking about that my voice doesn't have hatred in it. I did theater for 14 years before becoming a cinema actor. 14 years. And theater, you don't have this mic. You have to project your voice to the last row. And that 14 years of training has helped me in cinema. People have half a good-looking face and half a good-looking body and they say they want to be stars. I always tell, I respond to on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, thousands of people say, I want to be an actor or an actress. I want to be an actor. I said, what do you want to be? Do you want to be a star or you want to be an actor? Say, want to be a star. I said, it's not in your hands. It is not in your hands to be a star. It is in your hands to make that person a star. But if you want to be an actress, I will tell you. You want to be an actor? I will tell you. And that includes training, it includes a discipline, it includes learning your lines, understanding character, understanding literature, and developing your voice. It's all part of the deal. And this is not thanks to anything, it's thanks to my theater training that my voice has developed. Look at Mr. Nasiruddin Shah's voice. How beautiful voice. That's because he really gives back to the theater. So many great actors that have lasted for 25, 30 years have got good voices because they come from the theater, including Mr. Bachchan. He started in theater. And that is the reason these people will never fade away because their craft is in place. They did not come here to become stars. They came here to become actors.
Well, thank you so much for your questions. Thank you, Mr. Rani. Well, I'm sure that...
One last question. Yes, sir, mic. You need a mic. Hey, मैं उतरता हूँ, sir. आपके permission के साथ, photographer साहब.
Boman,
Sir.
you represent one of India, mine, and everybody's favorite community, the Parsi community.
Thank
Okay?
you.
There's no doubt about that you all have done so much for India, and all of us in India should follow your example and your community's example. I hope all my friends here would follow that. Thank you. Thank you for being a torch bearer for your community.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I feel so proud. Sir, I'll respond to that. I want to hear, darling, don't worry. 5 minutes कुछ नहीं जाएगा. She wants me to go away. क्या करूं? Wait, no,
Definitely not, definitely
One
not.
one last question from the gentleman over there. बोलो ना, sir.
Good evening, Boman ji.
Good evening,
I'm
ma'am.
Sandhya Chaudhary.
How do you do, Sandhya ji? How are you?
Good, fine. Boman ji, थोड़ा सा हट के पूछती हूँ.
सब लोग यहाँ पे हट के ही पूछते हैं. I don't know क्या है.
मजा आएगा ना?
हाँ, देख लेंगे, मजा आएगा, देख लेंगे. Let's see.
आप तो हंसाएंगे ही हंसाएंगे ना? Full faith on you.
जी.
Boman ji, we can find a common person in you, common man in you.
Yes.
You are successful, you are famous, you
Yes.
are a very convincing power with you. So as a common man,
Yes.
our India is progressing, we are changing, Bharat badal raha hai.
जी.
अगर आप ये भारत बदल रहा है मोमेंट में हिस्सा लेंगे, मुझे लगता है बहुत जल्दी भारत बदल जाएगा. Little deviation from your profession, if you could contribute a little more to the society, I think we all will progress better. India will go ahead.
I think so,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
I think it's very important to continue doing other things apart from your profession. I think it's important to give back to society in certain ways. I always say something to youngsters that when you travel abroad, do not forget that you are ambassadors of your country. Please dress properly, very important, the right places you go to. Please represent your country properly. Even if you go to see a movie in another land, stand in line, speak in whispers, do not be loud, do not think that just because you're on holiday, you can make a nuisance of yourself. I think ambassadorship is very important. Each and every one of us are ambassadors of this country. And I think you've been saying, I've been working on this for many, many years. It should not stop. So thank you very much for your comment. Thank you, ma'am. And about you, sir, thank you very much about the Parsi community comment. Parsis, thank you very much. So, Sakarni Madi Jai, very sweet of you. There are only 64,000 Parsis left in the world, for people who don't know this. I'm not joking. The government actually wanted to give us a status of a tribe. Yeah, which we refused. I said, no, don't worry. हमको ये benefits नहीं चाहिए. हम अपना संभाल लेंगे हमारी पंचायत. We don't. So give it to somebody else. Honest to God. We had and the tribe would get a lot of benefits. The status of tribe would give the Parsi community a lot of maybe financial benefits or educational benefits, but they refused. All right. There are 64,000 Parsis left in the world, not just in Mumbai. There are 64,000 people in 4 areas of Lokhandwala already. I think maybe, you know what I'm saying? Imagine the whole Parsi community fitting in 2 streets of Lokhandwala. That's how it is. It's a bad situation. And all the seniors of the community come and say, Baman, kai karo nahi? अरे मैं क्या करूं अभी? मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूं सर. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूं. I have done my duty. 2 legal boys, yes.
Oh God.
And yeah, 2 legal, yeah. No, God was not present that day.
Hello.
Sorry. Absolutely, but I'll just complete one thing. I just want to break some news to you that I'm going to be a grandfather in the next 2 or 3 weeks.
Wow.
So, yeah. I'm going to be a dada. And just to say that, you know, that these the elders, all the buzurg of the community, Baman, kuch karo, kai karo ne bhai. I said, kya karu? I cannot go and supervise anything, na baba? So, I say that.
Well, we definitely don't want.
भगाने की कोई मैं किधर नहीं. जितना तू मेरे को भगाएगी उतना मैं रुकूंगा. मैं बहुत जिद्दी आदमी. But just to say that all these conservationists go on, save the tiger, forget the tiger, save the Parsi, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. I'll go now. Thank you so much.
No, sir, I'm sure that all of us here are now motivated to taste life in style. We definitely wish you congratulations for your stellar success and luck for your upcoming projects. Thank you so much, Mr. Baman Irani, for joining us here this evening. Let's have a round of applause for him, please.
Thank you very much. Don't worry, अगर मैं कुछ अक्लमंद के साथ कुछ बोलूँगा तो शायद हाँ बूम थोड़ा नीचे जी जी one second let's organize it and let's do it. All happy? Okay. अभी आप सवाल पूछिए. And just keep silence amongst yourselves.
Okay, मोहम्मद सर, कोई भी कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछिए, आप बड़े दिल से और बड़े आत्मसात होकर आप उन प्रश्नों के उत्तर देते हैं.
जी.
तो जानना आपसे ये चाहता हूँ, कोई कन्फेशन जो आप हमेशा करना चाहते हैं और आप नहीं कर पाते हैं लोगों के बीच.
मैं सच बताऊं, कन्फेशन क्या होता है? कन्फेशन एक्चुअली ऐसी चीज़ होती है कि वो अपने आप से होती है. कन्फेशन अगर मैंने कुछ किसी के बारे में कुछ गलत सोचा कि बुरा सोचा या मैंने कुछ अच्छा नहीं सोचा किसी के बारे में, वो सिर्फ मैं जानता हूँ. मैं दुनिया को बोल के कुछ न्यूज़ बाइट में नहीं दे सकता हूँ कि ये मुझे कन्फेस करना है और पब्लिक के सामने. हाँ, अपने आप को कन्फेस करना चाहिए और उसमें कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स लाने चाहिए अपने आप को. लेकिन जब लोग पूछते हैं कि कोई भी तरह के सवाल पूछते हैं, मेरा मानना है कि दे शुड आस्क दोस क्वेश्चंस, और पूछने भी चाहिए, और मैं अपनी तरीके से जवाब भी देता हूँ। एंड आई डू नॉट लाइक टू ऑफेंड एनीबॉडी, मैं हंस बोल के हम लोग जवाब दे देते, बट आई डू नॉट लाइक टू से कि देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स के न्यूज़ बाइट के लिए कन्फेशन करना चाहिए। व्हाई शुड आई? सी सम थिंग्स आर वेरी पर्सनल। जी
एक आम आदमी जब एक सुपरस्टार बन जाता है आपकी
जी।
तरह, और इतनी सारी चीज़ें हो जाती है, सुपरस्टार्स के साथ आप काम करते हैं और
Right.
इतनी बड़ी सक्सेस मिल जाती है आपको, तो उसके दिल में क्या मंशा रहती है कि और फिल्में मिलें और पैसा कमाऊं, या बच्चों को आगे बढ़ाऊं, या फिर क्या करूं, क्या समथिंग लाइक दैट?
सर आप हाँ जी, ये सवाल अच्छा जा रहा था, प्लीज आप हाँ जी। तो क्या मन में आता है, क्या आपने एक और बार पूछेंगे? अच्छा सवाल था। जब स्ट्रगल आदमी करता है उसको बुरा मानना नहीं चाहिए पहले तो। आई थिंक स्ट्रगल एंड फेलियर इज नॉट बुरा, वो अच्छा होता है, अपनी तरक्की के लिए आपको फेल होना ही चाहिए। लेकिन आपका सवाल ये है कि नहीं, सवाल ही छूट गया।
द क्वेश्चन इज कि इतना सक्सेस मिलने के बाद आप
जी।
लोग आपका उदाहरण देते हैं और लोग आपके कैरेक्टर्स के नाम से आपको बुलाते हैं, जैसे आपने पहले ही बताया,
जी।
तो कैसा फील कर पाते हैं और मन में क्या मंशा रह जाती है आगे फ्यूचर को लेके?
देखो, मेरा मानना ये है कि अगर आपने कोई अच्छा काम किया हो, सक्सेसफुल काम किया हो, कोई कैरेक्टर्स का डिस्प्ले ऐसा किया जिसको फेमस हो गए, वो हो चुका है, वो भूल जाने का, और काम के लिए आगे देखते रहने का कि वो हो गया। मतलब यू कैन नॉट कीप ऑन राइडिंग ऑन दैट कि मैंने ये कैरेक्टर किया या वो कैरेक्टर किया, ये फलाना पिक्चर ने 200 करोड़ का काम किया, ये इसने 300। नोबडी वो म्यूजियम में जाके वो 200 करोड़ का फ्रेम नहीं टंगा सकते आप। इवेंचुअली योर वर्क विल स्पीक, यू टू कीप ऑन वर्किंग। फेम बहुत ही खतरनाक चीज होती है।
सर जैसे आपने कहा कि आप
कैसी रही है जर्नी?
पहले तो मैं अपने लाइफ को बुरा मानता ही नहीं। मैं जैसे मैंने पहले भी आपको कहा कि फेलियर डजंट मीन कि कोई बुरा वक्त है। बुरा वक्त वे होता है जो आदमी अपने आप को सोचता है मैं आगे कुछ नहीं कर पाता हूँ। जो आदमी के दिल में उमंग होती है ना और हौसला होता है, वो कभी भी उसका वक्त बुरा नहीं हो सकता है। नो मैटर वो कड़का हो, 1 रुपये अपने जेब में नहीं हो, मैं मानता नहीं कि उसका बुरा वक्त है वो। एज लॉन्ग एज यू हैव द स्ट्रेंथ टू से कि मैं कुछ करके दिखाऊंगा अपने आप को, फिर दुनिया अगर देखे या ना देखे। मैं ये भी बात कहूँगा कि लोग बहुत हमेशा बोलते हैं कि मशहूर होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। मैं नहीं मानता हूँ। आप लोग जर्नलिस्ट हैं, आप लोग अपना काम बहुत अच्छी तरीके से करते हो, मेहनत करते हो, और अपने फील्ड में आप सक्सेसफुल हो। आप फेमस नहीं हो उसका मतलब नहीं है आप फेलियर हो। Comes and fame will go, your work will always remain. So I have to try to keep my work. कभी अच्छे पिक्चर्स आते हैं, कभी इतने अच्छे पिक्चर्स नहीं आते। हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं, कोई फेल होते, कोई सक्सेसफुल होते, कोई कैरेक्टर्स को पसंद नहीं किया जाता, कोई बहुत कैरेक्टर को बहुत पसंद करते। वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं, हमारे हाथ में वही मेहनत करो भाई। जितनी मेहनत पहले पिक्चर पे की उससे दुगनी मेहनत नेक्स्ट पिक्चर पे कीजिए। फिर लोगों को पसंद आए ना पसंद आए वो तो इट्स पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी, और वो बुरा वक्त नहीं मानना चाहिए। इट इज पार्ट ऑफ योर जर्नी। ये गलत है, आप लोगों ने ये निकाला स्टोरी क्या है।
आजान सामी के साथ आप काम
मैंने कभी कोई बैकआउट नहीं किया, मेरे पास उस वक्त टाइम नहीं था और मैंने नहीं किया।
कबीर खान के इंसिडेंट्स के
मुझे आई केम टू नो लेटर ऑन।
दैट कि आप एक पिता हैं, आपके दो बेटे हैं
जी,
आप भी एक बेटे रहे हैं
जी।
किसी फादर के, तो सर क्या मॉरल्स आप ऐसी जिंदगी जियो या फिर आपने उनको फ्री कर दिया कि जैसे आपको पसंद है वैसे?
हाँ, मैं यही मानता हूँ कि कभी किसी को बोलो कि ये काम करो आप इतने हज़ार लाख रुपए कमाएंगे, इससे कोई मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। प्लीज़ बी ऑनरेबल, टेक केयर ऑफ योर फैमिली, ऑनर योर फादर एंड मदर, ऑनर योर एल्डर्स। बाकी सब वही है ना, फेम सक्सेस फेलियर वही यही कुछ चक्कर है। एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर डूइंग थिंग्स ऑनरेबली ना, इट डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस टू मी हाउ मच मनी यू मेक। It doesn't make a difference to me.
Sense of
When I was selling wafer.
One thing that you hold on to it, which really make you up in life. One thing.
I mean, it is as simple as that. That suppose you have thrown me in the middle of a lake. तो मैं बोलूँगा कि I am down, मैं बीच में हूँ, क्या करूँगा? तो डूब जाऊँ मैं? I will learn how to swim, and I'll learn how to swim well. When you're in the middle of the lake, you learn how to swim best. If you are standing by the kinara, you will not learn how to swim as well as when you are in the middle of the swimming pool. So I feel that is it कि चलो ये मौका मिला है, मेहनत करो। And I learned, I went into theatre, 14 साल किया मैंने थिएटर में, तो उसका तो फायदा हुआ ही है ना फिल्मों में। It becomes very difficult otherwise. एक देखिए, एक्टर के 2 लाइफ्स होते हैं। एक एक्टर होता है, एक इंसान होता है। अभी ये एक्टिंग तो सीखनी है क्योंकि उसमें टेक्निक होता है और एक इंसान होता है कि वो जिंदगी सीखता हो. व्हाट इज लाइफ, इंसानियत क्या होती है. और ये दो लाइव्स पैरेलल चलती रहती है. एक आप इंसान बनने सीखते हो, एक एक्टर बनना सीखते हो. यू हैव टू जॉइन इट एट सम पॉइंट इन योर लाइफ. वो मौका जब आए ना, व्हेन यू हैव जॉइंड इंसानियत विद एक्टिंग, आई थिंक यू विल बी अ फाइन एक्टर. और एक्टिंग का टेक्निक फिर भूल भी जाओ तो चलेगा. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड लाइफ टू बी अ गुड एक्टर. मैं मेरे पिताजी को मिला ही नहीं तो क्या मिस कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ.
लेकिन जब अपने जो बच्चे हैं या फिर अपने दोस्त जब फादर डे को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं तो उस समय कितना मिस करते हैं?
अपने दोस्त, सॉरी, अपने
आपके दोस्त जब उनके फादर,
मैं सच बताऊं, आई डू नॉट वांट टू से अरे मैं मेरे पिताजी को वो गलत होगा, बिकॉज आई नेवर मेट हिम ओनली. मेरे जन्म के पहले ही उनका इंतकाल हो गया था. तो बट हियर आई एम फॉर माई सन्स एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू बी अ वेरी प्राउड फादर टू वंडरफुल बॉयज. और जैसे एक इंटरव्यू में मेरे बेटों के साथ मेरी इंटरव्यू हुई 2-3 दिन पहले, तो उनका क्या सिखाते, कोई कुछ सिखाते ही नहीं. बच्चा वो नहीं करता जो आप उनको कहते, बच्चा वो करता है जो आप करते. So if your actions are correct, they will follow you. So if you do something wrong, they will follow the wrong also. They will do the wrong. Children don't do what you tell them to do. Children don't do what you tell them to do. They do what you do, basically.
So we all know कि
ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं. एक वो इंसान नहीं होगा. मम्मी हैज बीन ग्रेट इंस्पिरेशन. उनके अलावा आई थिंक माई वाइफ हैज बीन अ ग्रेट सपोर्ट सिस्टम. मेरे बच्चे भी मुझे बहुत कभी बोलते हैं ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए इंटरव्यू में. थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है कि आप गुस्सा हो गए उनके साथ, नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. तो इवन चिल्ड्रन विल टेल यू कि यू केम अक्रॉस, अगर मन में न भी हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि किसी ने उल्टा सीधा मतलब सवाल पूछा तो मैंने ऐसे कड़क जवाब दे दिया. तो क्यों आपने वो मुंह बनाया? मतलब नहीं, मैं गुस्से में नहीं था. नहीं, आप थे. तो बच्चों से भी सीखना चाहिए, मेरा मानना ये. I learn from everybody. I learn from you. I learn from what's happening in the background. क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे, देखते हैं आगे वहाँ जाके पता चलेगा. Share with success with everybody.
Okay, sir.